All right, man, so today we're here with?
Miami.
All right, so look, man, where you from, man?
Right here. Man,
Right here?
what's in that mic, man?
You said what?
What's in that mic, man?
Nothing.
That shit smell bad there, man.
Nah, this my nephew, Mike.
Your nephew, Mike. Man,
Yeah.
shit, god damn. Man, look here, man. Oh, man,
What happened?
that shit's killing me.
What you mean? I'm saying you trying to be a part of the interview or what, man?
Yes, I'm trying to be a part of the interview, but that shit
All right, so
smell
look,
bad.
Black History Month or Christmas?
Christmas.
Why Christmas?
He keeps sneezing. Christmas.
You get gifts. Damn, that shit smell
Gifts?
nasty.
You don't like Black History Month?
Yeah, I like that too, but oh Lord, man, fuck that shit, man.
What happened?
Oh Lord. I don't know that mic, man. That mic stink, man. God damn, who mic this here?
My nephew, Mike.
Man, you need to get that mic back to your nephew, man.
You say you not trying to be a part of the interview?